Hello, welcome to another van on tour video. In this video I'm going to answer the van tag questions. I was kindly tagged by Ant from Ant's Van Life. Yeah, so without ado, let's get on with it. 10 questions about van life, preset, originally started by Pepsi. Yeah. 10 questions preset about your van life that loads of other van lifers have answered. Question number 1: what is the make and model of your van? It's a 2003 Peugeot Expert 1.9D non-turbo version, which makes for really good fuel economy. There's not much power in it, but the engines are bulletproof and good for 400,000 to 500,000 miles with regular services. It's a small van, as you can see. I'm sat down, my head's on the ceiling, but that makes it's so good just for going anywhere you like. I'm getting to supermarkets, under barriers, narrow lanes is not a problem. It's just like driving a car. Number 2, how long did your van build take? It took me about 4 weeks from start to finish, but I pretty much was on it like 5 days a week. I triple insulated it, wired it, pretty much had all the stuff I needed to convert it. Well, I'd say about 75% of the stuff I needed to convert it already. So yeah, the build didn't take too long at all. Question number 3: where has been your favourite place to stay? So many. In particular, there's 2. There's Cornwall, which I love because there's just park-ups everywhere. You don't get harassed down there. It's easy to find the park-ups down there. You could stay down there for months and have a different view every day. It's really good. But at the moment, it's in the West Dorset coast, because I'm kind of based in Dorset. The West Dorset coast is not as busy as the East Dorset coast, where Bournemouth and Christchurch and all that. There's some really nice park-ups down there, and it's nice and quiet. Question number 4: where has been the worst place to stay in your van? That would be Portsdown Hill in Hampshire, which overlooks Portsmouth. I stayed there in the car park at the top, which gives you a wonderful view of the city and the lights. But there was a burger bar there, and the burger bar stays open all night. There's motorbikes up and down all night long, boy racers up and down all night long, people playing music. There's just people coming and going all night long. It's just like noisy as daytime up there. And then when I did move to a smaller car park further along the hill, it was a dogging car park. So I left there, I think it was 3:30 in the morning, and went and found a quieter park up. I won't be going back there again. Question number 5: how many people have you had in your van at one time? Given it's a tiny van, I've had 6 people in here. There's 4 along my bed seat, and I've got a little bench seat at the end there. I had 2 people on there. It was quite cosy, but you know, we're all right. Question number 6: have you had any van disasters? Yes, breakdowns. My first Transit that I converted, that detached a piston on the way back from Cornwall, and just it wasn't worth the cost of getting the van done, so that had to be scrapped. And then one of my other vans, I had a Talbot Express Camelot. We were in Cornwall and we went to a small camping field. It was lovely. There was nothing there, just a portaloo and a tap. No other facilities, no buildings, nothing. And upon driving on the field, my gear linkage snapped. So I couldn't select any gears. Anyway, I managed to jam a screwdriver in there and select one gear, and it was reverse gear. So I had to drive round this field in reverse to manoeuvre the van near to the entrance where the breakdown lorry could pick me up. I had a few people watching. It was quite funny. And in this van, a couple of months after I got it, the exhaust snapped in the middle. So new exhaust, and it was fine. But I've not had any problems with this van apart from that. It's been great. What is the favourite feature in your van? Number 7. I'd like to say the diesel heater. It changes the game totally in winter. I mean, this is winter now. It's storm car going outside, blowing a hoolie. It's cold. We had a snow flurry today, and I'm currently sat here at 25 degrees with the heater on low. But I must say, it's probably going to be the size of my van, the smallness of it. It's just, it's made it so accessible to get everywhere, go anywhere. It's cheaper fuel costs, so you can go more places. Yeah, it's great. But I do want a bigger van. Number 8. What is the least favourite part about van life? I don't know. Did I write something down for that? Ah, yeah, I did. Right, cancel restrictions, bylaws. Everybody trying to, well, the local authorities trying to restrict and stop you parking in the nicest places, basically. That's so annoying. It's an infringement on our freedom. But, you know, it can't all be perfect. What is your favourite part about van life? And the opposite of that is the freedom. You know, you just get up and go. You get bored with a place, just move, go somewhere else, and with that brings adventures as well. New places, you know, discovering new places that are not in any book or online. Yeah, you get out there, you get walking, and adventures just come. Number 10. Any tips for those about to embark on their van life adventure? Just do it. If you're thinking twice about it, just get your van, stay on the drive for a night or two before you do it. You'll soon get a feel for it if you like it or not, but just do it. It's probably be one of the best things you've ever done in your life. But just be aware that winter time is a lot different. Everybody says it's hard. It's not hard. It's just, it's different, and you have to adapt to that. So if you're going to try it, even if you hire a van, bung a mattress in the back, you know, little camping cooker, just go off somewhere, try it in winter first, because you'll know van life at its worst then. And obviously when spring hits, you months and months of just totally enjoying yourself. And that's my van tag done. The video after the next one, I'm going to be doing a questions and answers video. So I've already got a few questions from viewers. So if you've got a question, and particularly most of them about the size of my van and how hard it is being in a small van or any different, just pop it down in the comments and I'll answer it in that video. Thanks for watching. Back again. Got to the end of the video and forgot to nominate someone. So I nominate Stuart, a van with a view. Your turn.